Alright, Brewers, Scar Trevor here with another Lunchtime Rips. Yes, I'm still at work. We're considered essential because we're in the telecommunications business. So today we're going to open up a prime pack that I got from Walgreens a while back ago. Let's crack into this bad boy and see what we got here today. Hope everything is going good on your side of the world, wherever that may be. All right, so what is our bonus card? One bonus card. We got a Alex Fado. Alex Fado, whoever that is. All right, and let's see what we got for packs. Doesn't look like anything truly exciting. Nope. Although we did get a fat pack of opening day. We got a 1991 O-Pee-Chee. And then a Don Russ 2008 Elite Edition. So, let's start off with the O-Pee-Chee. Probably not going to get anything exciting in this pack. Oop, I'm going to just drop everything. All right, here we go. So, we got a Steve Decker, a Pete Sherrick, got a Bobby Thigpen, we got a Willie Wilson, probably one of his last cards. Got a Dave Steve, we got a Willie Frazier, and a Lance Dixon. So, just as I thought, nothing exciting. So now we're going to go to the opening day pack. Right on the back, we got a Willie Adames. That's not horrible. Okay, so Abigail Garcia, Matt Carpenter, Edwin Encarnacion, Joey Gallo. Oops, let's bring that up. Sorry. Jamer Candelario, Jack Flaherty, Justin Turner, Jacob deGrom, Brian Anderson, Anthony Rizzo, Mitch Haniger, Team Traditions and Celebrations, Outfield Pool, yay. All right, 150, Pedro Martinez, 150, Ichiro, Nicholas Castellanos, David Price, Max Scherzer, Aaron Judge, Trevor Story, Alex Gordon, Jesus Aguilar, at least we got a Brewer, Kyle Gibson, Freddie Freeman, and Willie Adames Gold Cup card. All right, so this is where we got to hope we get some exciting. We might get an autograph. I think I've pulled one autograph from this product. All different, what do you call it, of the pack here, of the whatever, prime pack. All right. Cole St. Clair, Jay Austin. Oh, what's that? What's that? Is it? Nope. It is a school color Sam Freeman. Kind of a cool card, but nobody in particular on the card itself. Adam Mills and last Johnny, that guy. All right. Anyway. So, nothing truly exciting in that opening, but it's always fun to open a pack of cards at lunchtime. In this case, 3 packs of cards at lunchtime. Anyway, I hope you guys stay safe where you're at. Keep watching. I'll keep making. And if you like what you saw, go over here, hit like. And if you're not already, go over here, subscribe. I'm going to be doing a giveaway at 250. I'm at 202 now. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave some comments on whether or not you like this type of video. And otherwise, you guys go out there and try to have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.